is a BAKFlip MX4 installed on a 6.5 foot Chevy Silverado bed. This cover is a low profile mounting and it allows full bed use in a matter of seconds. The first step is to lower the tailgate. On either side, you're able to pull this cable, which disengages the locking rails on the truck. You can click and fold the cover, and it has easy usage. You can strap it here and drive with the cover open and secure. You also have padded bumpers that protect your rear window when you want your full bed access. And then you simply prop the cover up and secure it in place like this, and you get your full bed. We have drain lines going out the back corner there for any water getting inside. This cover is backed by a 3-year warranty. It's aluminum panels that are textured matte black. And it has an integrated tailgate molding on the rear, which allows you to close the tailgate last.